Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Mohan Rukhi Thaga Pangting Cup, an open tournament, the first ever Astro Turf football tournament in Mon district. Itu kalira suru hoi jabole ase. Aru itu first open tournament 11 teams aha itu mohan chani pai ase. Robin Khaitim Memorial Academy and FC ututo Assam laga ase koina khobor pai ase. Itu tournament laga fixture do moi upload kuri dibo yade aru the land of ang Facebook page to be upload kurian thakibo apni yan jaigena fixture do tatira saula paribo fixture aru timing first Pangting Cup 2025 laga opening ceremony 22nd April itu ase kali 12:30 PM de suru hobo aru itu program itu la inaugural program the special guest thakibo Srimati S Phangnon Konyak Honorable MP Rajya Sabha Government of India. Aru itu tournament de sabole aha khan morom bra gari aru bike to ekdam aram bra hoshiar bra chulai bidei koina itu bi janai dia ase.